How to cancel flight ticket on Wizz Air. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser and then head over to the site wizzair.com. It will land you on the official page of Wizz. Once you are in here, enter your login credential as in your username and the password and simply log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, you will be landing on this page. Now what you want to do is head over to check-in and booking at the top right. It will open up this page. In here, you have to move into upcoming trips. In here, you will be able to see the flight you have booked. If you have it, then simply head over to it. Now select the flight that you want to cancel. And then select the passenger for whom the cancellation will apply. In case you wish to cancel a reservation for all the passengers, you can select all passengers in the same process. Confirm the cancellation and settle payment related to the cancellation if applicable. Please note that in case the original reservation was fully or partially paid by Wizz voucher, the cancellation of reservation is possible only for all passenger and flight at the same time. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can cancel flight ticket on Wizz Air. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.